What's up, guys? Plum Master Jeff back again. Electric water heater troubleshooting today. Brand new house, so pulled up on this guy. They don't have any hot water. First off, assume that the elements were going to be dry fire. If that's the case, I just shut the power off, but if that's the case, we're going to take our multimeter to the ohm setting, and we're going to get a number that's just bouncing all over the place. I know we have continuity because my meter's telling me we do, plus we have anywhere from 12 to 13 ohms is a good range. Since I have the power off, I'm going to go ahead and test the bottom as well. And we have 12.8 ohms here as well. So I know the elements are good. Had to be something thermostat related. So I'm going to turn the power back on to the unit. And we want to double check and put it back in the volt setting. Should typically have anywhere from 220 to 240. And I have 245 here. I've already replaced this thermostat because this tank was cold and the thermostat was not sending power to the upper element, which it is now. So I know that this thermostat is functioning properly. Before, I had no voltage to this guy, so I knew that this thermostat had to be bad since I had power to the upper wires of the upper portion of the element, or of the thermostat. If I did not have any power here, then with the breaker off, I would remove the panel up at the top and ensure that a wire's not shorted out, and that the connections are good at the upper portion of the heater. So now that I know the elements are good, we're testing the recovery. What I like to do is turn the temperature on the upper one to the lowest setting. I heard it click, so then it's sending power to the lower. And this is verifying I have no voltage to the upper thermostat. Therefore, I know it has kicked power to the lower. I should have roughly 240 something to the lower, and we got 240. So the water heater is going to heat the upper half of the tank first. Once that temperature is satisfied, then it goes and heats the bottom portion. If the elements would have been bad, either the upper or the lower, if the lower one's bad, all the water has to be drained out of the tank to change out that lower element. We can put our thermostats back to a normal setting, 120-ish or so, and let the heater finish heating. Like, subscribe, we'll be posting some more videos.